Hey you and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to use the LuxAlgo CMC indicator. So if you want to do this, we click right here on library. And first of all, you need to create an account on LuxAlgo because that is the first step. And then afterwards, you search right here for the indicator, CMC indicator. Then right now you go right here and you see right here the smart money concepts. That is what CMC means. And then you click right here on see details. Then right now you see here an explanation about the indicator right here with also a nice video. But right now, this indicator, you can use it for TradingView, NinjaTrader, MetaTrader 4 or 5 or Think or Swim. We want to use this for TradingView, so we click right here on Get Access, and then right here is a instruction how to do it. But right now, if you click here on Get Access, he will send us right here to another page. And if you click here on Use on Chart, he will send us right here to the chart. And now I want to disable right here the fair value gap right there. And then right now, if you can see, now we are having the smart money concept. So this is how you can use the CMC indicator in LuxAlgo. Hopefully this was the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.